Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Schedule 1 Exe file updated. Start by identifying the exact file name and intended source, then confirm the developer or distributor. Use trusted sites, check digital signatures, and verify checksums when available to ensure integrity. Prepare a clean environment, such as a virtual machine or isolated user account, and set appropriate permissions before executing any downloaded exe. Once you know the exact Schedule 1 exe you need, search the official vendor page first and look for a downloadable installer or archive. If unavailable, use reputable repositories that list version history and signatures. Read release notes and forum posts to confirm matches, and avoid sites that require unofficial converters or offer bundled installers. Always prefer sources that provide checksums or signed executables for verification. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future updates. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It accepts voice control and learns your space for effortless upkeep. Perfect for busy creators who want clean floors and fewer distractions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After downloading the Schedule 1 exe, run it through an antivirus scan and compare its checksum to the publisher's value if available. Inspect the digital signature details to confirm the signer and certificate validity. Execute the file first in a sandbox or virtual machine to observe behavior without risking your main system. If anything looks suspicious, do not proceed and seek an alternative or contact the vendor for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.